To create a custom snapshot in GoHighLevel, you will need an account, which can be a starter, unlimited, or process plan. After signing into your account, navigate to the Account Snapshots section and click on Create New Snapshot. Give your snapshot a name and select the account you want to attach it to. Once you've saved your snapshot, switch to the account it's attached to and create templates for sites, funnels, or blogs. You can then share the snapshot, and anyone who uses it will have access to the same templates. To add a template to your snapshot, create a funnel, website, or blog, and then upload it to your funnel templates by clicking on the three dots and selecting Upload to Funnel Templates. After naming and categorizing your template, click Upload and Publish. The template will now be part of your snapshot. To use the snapshot in a sub-account, attach it to the account, select All Assets, and click Proceed. The snapshot's templates will be transferred to the sub-account. This allows you to customize your snapshot with the templates you want and transfer them to new sub-accounts. The process involves going to your agency view, creating a new snapshot, attaching it to a sub-account, and customizing the templates. Once a new sub-account is created with the snapshot, all the templates will be transferred, making it easy to create consistent and customized accounts.